In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Unsplash plugin to Figma. We will keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Unsplash is a popular source of free high-quality images. And the official Unsplash plugin for Figma lets you bring those images straight into your designs without leaving your file. This is great for mockups, mood boards, or quickly testing visual directions with realistic photography. Start by opening any design file in the Figma desktop app or in your browser. You can use an existing project or a blank canvas. The plugin works the same either way. Make sure you are inside an actual file, not just on the Figma home screen, because plugins run within files. Next, open the plugin's interface. Press Ctrl-K to bring up the quick search panel, then select Plugins. In the search bar, type Unsplash. You will see results appear as you type. Look for the official Unsplash plugin in the list. When you find it, click Run next to the official Unsplash plugin to open it. In a moment, a small panel will appear in Figma, confirming that the plugin is active and ready to use. If you know you'll use this regularly, you can bookmark it for future use. That way, it's quicker to access next time and will appear more prominently when you open plugins again. It's a small step that saves time during fast-paced design sessions. With the plugin open, you can search for and instantly insert high-quality images directly into shapes. This means that when you have a frame, a rectangle, or any shape selected in your design, the plugin can place the image right inside it, automatically fitting it as a fill. It keeps you in the flow and avoids the hassle of downloading, importing, and masking images manually. A few tips to help you get the most out of it. Use specific keywords to narrow down results, like modern office, warm sunset, or textured concrete. If you are designing for a particular layout, pay attention to the image composition so it complements your typography and UI elements. And as you explore, keep an eye on consistency. Using a cohesive visual style across images can make your entire design feel more polished. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.